Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Miguel and another episode of an art review / tutorial. Here in today's subject we have Parvati, which is a Hindu goddess, the wife of Shiva in Hindu mythology. So the material I've used in this one are pencils, ink pen, and Copic markers. So let's get started in going over the process. Now with this version of Parvati, I've wanted to give a more feeling of contentment. So with her face, I made her eyes look kind of closed or looking down, and her smiling and having all of these clothing around her like flowing in the wind, and just to give a bit of dynamism. So I wanted to make this dynamic, not just some figure standing or just floating in midair, but have a lot of movement around her space. So here I have some flowers drawn in, some random petals and flowers near her head. I start with the middle going outward, just a way of getting through the process a bit faster. So I immediately start with the skin tone and adding all the other colors mixed in there, blend them a little bit. And with the clothing, I have a bit more of a direction. That way I know the direction of which I am coloring, so that I can cover a lot more space more efficiently and not looking too chaotic. So as soon as I'm done coloring the skin, I go right with the hair. That way it's pretty clear of where I'm at. So now that I'm done with the skin and the hair, I can immediately start with the clothing. So I have looked at other depictions of Parvati, and I noticed the usual colors that are used are yellow, orange, violet, and along with my own depiction, I've done some creative liberties. The most dominant color I've used is like bluish light gray around the other clothing. And I've added a bit of little references from Hindu, like ancient Hindu fashion with the necklace. And that is the finishing touch. It was a last minute idea just to make it more complete. And there we have it, Parvati, my version of Parvati. I hope you enjoy that. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next art review / tutorial.